Okay, I'm just going to prep a chicken very quickly for tomorrow. Bog standard chicken. First thing to do, take the wing tips off. 1, 2. Okay. Next, down the back, straight through, down to the bone. Break it back and then cut through. You've got a nice leg. Repeat, round the back, straight through, out the socket. Job done. Wings go down and through like that. Down and through, like so. Got some nice bits of meat. And then for the breasts, all we're going to do is go down through the bone, right next to the bone, breastbone. Cut through as far down as you can. Little bone there. So you get nice bits. And again, be careful here. It's sliding under you. I'm just going to go down, sharp knife. So, all along, trim the excesses off, and we're done. So that's all the bits. This is the bit that we're going to deal with next to make our stock. As you can see, I've gathered a few bits together, and all I'm going to do is make a really basic stock for this. But first off, I'm going to get the carcass. You don't want excess fat, so no point doing this. Put those in. If you really wanted to, you could brown off a lot of the chicken beforehand. Cut the carcass down the middle, and then as you can see oceans of meat on it. That's parson's nose, the fatty lever here makes life easy. So just into 30-40mm strips into the pot. No waste, which is great with this. Now I could use a stock cube, but I'm not going to bother today because I'd rather a bit more flavour. And this is such a basic, everybody does this, nothing special here. So I'm going to use some celery, some shallots. There we go. Do I need to peel this? Probably not, so I'm not going to bother. Just going to cut it into pieces so I'm going to get my flavour out in the puree. Again, straight down the middle. Looking at about 40 minutes for this. In it all goes, keep going. Scallions, straight down the middle. Again, tail, straight down the middle. Peel the bits off. This is really easy. Nearly there. Just so, as I say, you know what's going in when we put this tomorrow together. I'm just going to again cut these into some simple finish bits. This will make about 2 litres of stock, which is a lot of stock. I'm usually put a head of garlic in. Don't worry about peeling it because you're going to sieve it. Into the pot then I'm going to put 3 torn bay leaves, fresh from the garden, bit of garden here, a little bit of thyme, some rosemary, because I think rosemary chicken works wonderfully. That's quite a lot of rosemary, should be done. Generous pinch of salt, that's pretty much it. I'm now going to cover it with just enough water to cover it. Job done, boil for about 40 minutes, drain, cool.